Now I will discuss you about the union clause. So what is the union clause? There are actually two types of clause, union and union all. It is actually used to combine the result of two or more select statements, and it will give you a single result set. The select statement must have the same number of columns and the data types of the columns must be comparable. So become careful about this. And union returns only one unique rows, and union all returns all the rows. And if there is duplicate rows, that will also allow that. So I am going to show you an example so that you can easily understand it. You see that in this table, for example, this is a table. Here this is students table, and here first name, last name, email, age and city, also with department ID of this student are given here. Okay, so here I am going to select some students who are in the Dhaka city, and also who are in the for example Dhanmondi, this city. So I can easily get that information using this, that is select all from students where city equal to what? City equal to first parameter, you see that Dhaka. So all the students will come from the Dhaka city, and union or union all both will work in the same system here, because here I get the student data and here is actually no duplicate student. So all the student data I am going to get here. So union or union all both will produce the same result here, and I am going to run another query, that is select all from the students where the city equal to another city. You see that there is another city. So here you see that Dhaka and Dhanmondi, two are the parameters given here. So Dhaka and Dhanmondi, that means this and this, total 3 items, right? So Peter, and I get all data. So here you will get the first name, last name, email, etc. So actually select here, you will have to give first name, last name. Okay, so here first name, last name, city, you will have to give here, and you will have to give here. Then this will produce the output. So here it will be Smith. You see that the Peter who lives in the Dhaka, Peter Johnson. Another on Dhaka is Fiat Robert. This one comes. And another city, that is Dhanmondi, and from another query I will get on data, that is James. So you see that James Gamble. So this information are given here. So in this way you can use the union. And another example is given here, that is from the students where city equal to Khulna or city equal to Dhaka. So I can get the information from here and here. You see that from the Dhaka I get the students, for example this and this, and I also give it select all from students and teachers. But here one thing to understand, that is here I am going to get all the items from the students table where there are city. That means I am going to check, for example, the person name. So first name and last name I want to get from the students table where city equal to, for example, a particular city, Dhaka or Dhanmondi. I also want to get the same information from another table, teachers, because the students have first name, last name. You see that teachers table, this is teachers table, and this is students table. So students have first name, last name. Similar way the teachers have first name and last name. So students have some cities, teachers have some cities. By I want to get the cities that is Dhaka and Dhanmondi. They execute the city actually. First name, select all from here, union all here, where city is equal to Dhaka, Dhanmondi. Actually not, this will be actually Khulna. This will be actually Khulna. Here is a mistake probably. I want to get all the students from Khulna city. I want to get all the teachers from Khulna city. So you see that from Khulna city the student is Smith, and another one is Ricardo. Here Ricardo, and here you see Marwi. And from the teachers table you see the teacher is Sabir Ahmed, that is given here, and another one is Abbas Islam, that is here. That means I get easily from the two tables same data. I am going to get the same data from the two tables based on the same type of query. For example, the city equal to this. So in this way you can easily union the two table two search queries, and the output will be shown here into one place. There is another normal union example. What is the difference between union and union? I am going to show you another example, so you will get the difference. If you use only union in these two tables, for example, this is students table and this is teacher table. Now I want that I only want to get all the cities from student table and all the cities of the teachers table. So if you use the union, it will take only the cities that are common in both tables. For example, Khulna, this is here and here also. Dhaka, that is here and here also. That is Chittagong, that is here and here also. That is Dhanmondi, that also will be here, because I will get all the data from the students, right? So if you check that Khulna, Dhaka, Chittagong, Dhanmondi, Khulna, Dhaka, Chittagong, Dhanmondi, here Khulna, Dhaka, Chittagong, and Bagherat is extra here, that I will get here. That means I will take all the cities Khulna from the students and teachers, then I will just output the one city one times, because the Khulna comes multiple times but I will only show it only one time. So in this way you can easily search two table and get on particular data, but unique data, and this is in this case you will have to call the union. If you go to get the union all example, just in the same example I use union all, that means it will take everything from here. You see that Khulna, Dhaka, Khulna, Chittagong, Dhanmondi, Khulna, Dhaka, Khulna, Dhaka, Khulna, Chittagong, Dhanmondi, Khulna, Dhaka, and from this table Khulna, Dhaka, Bagherat, Chittagong, Khulna, Dhaka, Bagherat, Chittagong. That means it is going to take everything from here, and then after that everything from here, and all these are going to be shown here. In this way the union all, this one works.